come to another concept which is a very interesting and very important concept. Okay, odd days concept. Now in today's class will be the golden class for you, because this class basis only will be able to answer any question in your exam from calendars. Okay, our entire motive to learn this concept were to come and reach in this point where we learn odd days concept and then we start solving questions. Let's understand what are odd days. So you know these odd days already, but I have just not tell you what is an odd days. क्या होता है सर? So generally suppose I say I give you 24 days. Suppose I give you 24 days. Okay. Now in 24 days, if I ask you, my friend, how many weeks are there? What will you say? Sir, there would be 3 weeks. Okay, there would be 3 weeks. कैसे वैसे 3 weeks? See, because in every week there are 7 days. So 7 days यहाँ गया, 7 days and 7 days. Total, sir, out here you will see 21 days. So 21 days means 3 weeks. Because in 1 week there are 7 days. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days is 21 days. So 21 days are your what? Sir, 3 weeks. So remaining how many days are left? You would say, sir, 21 days तो यहाँ चला गया. तो रह गया कितना दिन, sir? 3 days are left, sir. 3 days are left. Now these 3 days are your odd days. These 3 days are your odd days. I hope it is clear. So our motive is to find odd days, and also we must know that my odd days, right? My odd days should always be less than or equal to 7. Yeah, odd days will always be less than or equal to 7. It cannot be more than 7. So whenever you see a number more than 7, then divide that number again by 7. Now how to get this odd days directly? To get this odd days directly, we divide the number of days by 7. So divide this 24 days by 7. How much you're getting? So 7 threes are, you're getting 21. You subtract, you're getting 3. So this 3 remainder that you see out here, this remainder is nothing but your odd days. This 3 remainder that you see out here is nothing but that is your odd days. Clear? हम बोलेंगे ठीक है sir. That means in 24 days there would be 3 odd days. Why? Because sir, there are 3 weeks. So in 3 weeks I would see 21 days getting inside. But the remaining 3 days, which are your extra days, are nothing but your odd days. So our motive in this entire chapter is to find odd days. What do we need? We need the number of days. ध्यान देना, ठीक है? Number of days. So once we get number of days, we can find the odd days just by dividing these days by 7. And also we have learned that odd days would always be less than 7 or equal to 7. Okay, now let's understand what does these odd days mean. इनका मतलब क्या है? Are we finding odd days? क्यों निकाल रहे हैं odd days? है ना? Let's understand that concept. So, why do we find odd days? Generally we find odd days because it acts like a code for us. एक code की तरह काम करता है. Now what is that code? Code like, I would say sir, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. तो 7 को मैं फिर से यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ 7. तो 7 and 0 is the same thing. 7 and 0 is the same thing. ठीक है? Now what does this mean? Day number 7 is nothing but your Sunday. Okay? Day number 1 is Monday. Day number 2 is my Tuesday. Day number 3 is my Wednesday. Day number 4 is my Thursday. Okay? 5 is my Friday and 6 is my Saturday. ठीक है ना? So generally these odd days that we are getting, so these odd days are generally my code to find the day. अगर 0 code आया तो बोल दूंगा Sunday. If 1 code then Monday. If 2 code then Tuesday. If 3 code then Wednesday and so on. Clear? Okay, समझ आ गया है ना? So let's see what type of question can you expect to get from this type of concept. So suppose I say that question is, if today is Monday, suppose, ठीक है? If today is Monday, then what will be, okay, 26 days later. Okay, what day will be 26 days later? Such question can come in your exam. अब इसको कैसे करते देखो, बहुत सिंपल है. सो देखो सिंपल है, लाइक अ नॉर्मल एस्पिरेंट ऑल्सो इफ विल जस्ट काउंट मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे ऐसे करते करते 26 तक भी अगर काउंट करेगा वो, है ना, इफ ही काउंट्स टिल 26 he'll be able to find कि what is that day. But we use a shortcut. Shortcut is what? Sir, this 26 days will just find the odd days from here. ठीक है, इससे odd days निकालते हैं. So let's find the odd days. I'm writing here. So sir, in 26 days, how many odd days will be there? How many odd days will be there? इसके लिए what we are going to do? So we are going to divide 26 by 7. And 7 क्यों? Because after 7 days, each day starts repeating itself. इसलिए we are dividing by 7. So you would say, sir, 7 3s are 21. Now you subtract, how much you're getting? 5. अभी जो 5 odd day आया है, you have to add this 5 to this Monday. That means after 26 days, your day would be what, sir? Monday, then plus 5. Monday plus 5. That would be what? Monday plus 5 करो कितना आएगा सर? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So your answer would be Saturday. अभी याद करो, this concept I have taught you when we were doing the simple type. But there I did not use the term odd days, है ना? But actually there also we were doing the same thing. Odd days ही निकाल देते हैं. मतलब क्या है देखो, Monday है आज, today is Monday, then after 26 day, what day will it be? So what you'll do is, you know that next Monday after 7 days, है ना? तो ऐसे 7, 7, 7, 3 weeks हो गया. That means in the 21st day also you'll be able to see Monday, because after each week your Monday keeps on repeating. ये week खत्म हुआ, Monday आ गया. This week ended, Monday. This week ended, Monday, like that. है ना? And once you have done this, you will be able to see that there are 5 more days left. 5 more days left. And that 5 more days is what? 5 more days is nothing but the odd day that we have found it out here. है ना? So you just add this 5 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then you'll get the answer Saturday. So out here, it is not like that we don't know this. I told you, when I started this topic, you know it, you're just not familiar, and I did not use the term odd days. Now if I said odd days, now you say, array, this thing we have done before, है ना? In simple days concept we have done this, right? So same concept we have used out here. Clear? Okay. Let's move to some questions now then. Okay, but before that, I would suggest you, my friends, that please try to take a screenshot of this particular slide. This slide is very important for us because out here you'll be able to see the odd days. ठीक है? अब देखो यार, simple है. How you're getting 3 odd days? In January, how many days are there? You would say 31 days. Sir, January में 31 days होता है ना? There are 31 days. So how to find odd day? We are experts, sir. We know that you just divide 31 by 7. So when I divide 31 by 7, how much you're getting? Sir, 7 4s are 28. You subtract, what is the remainder? You're getting 3. And this remainder is what, sir? This remainder is nothing but your odd days. This remainder is nothing but the odd days. Easily you're getting 3 out here. And easily you're getting 3. Similarly, February, it can be 2, 0 or 1. Now 0 kab hoga or 1 kab hoga? So we know that in February month, the month February depends on the type of year. The month February, it totally depends on the type of year. कैसा type का year है? Okay. So when I say that, sir, it is an ordinary year. If it is an ordinary year, then in February there are 28 days. 28 days. है ना? And if it is a leap year, there are 29 days. There are 29 days. Right? So in an ordinary year, in February, we would say, sir, there are 0 odd days. Sir, divide by 7 करो तो कितना आएगा remainder? सर, remainder आएगा 0, है ना? तो 0 odd days हो जाएगा. और similarly, you divide by 29, you divide by 7, you're getting what, sir? You're getting 1. So 1 odd day आ जाएगा. So that's why you're getting 0 and 1 in February. That's why you're getting 0 and 1. So it is very important for us that we should know the year when we talk about the month of February. Year पता लगेगा, then only you'll be able to say, okay, February month, how many days are there? How many days would be there in a February? ठीक है? Next, March. March में 3 कैसे आ रहा है? You know it because in March there are 31 days. Okay, so you should know the number of days in every month. 31. February ordinary है तो 28 होगा सर, लीप होगा तो 29 होगा. है ना. March is 31, April is 30, May is 31, June is 30, July 31, August again 31, September is 30, October is 31, November is 30, and December is 31. So these are the number of days that you see in each month. In each month, these are the number of days that you'll be able to see it. ठीक है. So that's why based on these days you're getting the odd days out here. तो इसको याद रखना. ठीक है, इसको याद रखना. And also you have to memorize one more thing. मतलब memorize नहीं, eventually when you keep practicing आपको खुद ब खुद याद हो भी जाएगा. ठीक है, आपको खुद ब खुद याद हो जाएगा. तो but before that let's try to learn how to find odd days. ठीक है, how to find odd days. Now let's see this question. Now out here if you see they're asking you how many odd days are there in 54 years. ठीक है, how many odd days are there in 54 years. सबसे बड़ा गलती जो स्टूडेंट्स करता है सबसे पहले, they would directly divide 54 by 7. सर आपने तो बोला, you only said sir to get odd days you divide by 7, but divide by 7 what? The days, not the year. ये year है यार, तो इस year को you'll have to make days first and then you can find the odd days. ठीक है, तो ये करना होगा गलत. So in 54 years, first motive for us would be that we have to find how many ordinary years are there and how many leap years are there. ठीक है, how many ordinary years are there and how many leap years are there. Now how to do this? You know this, I have taught you. ठीक है ना, because obviously in 54 years there would be ordinary year and leap year both. Now how to do this? We know sir. Let's find the leap year first, and after finding the leap year we can find the ordinary year. How to find leap year? Sir, just divide 54 by 4. Now mind it, don't get confused. Students get confused कि 7 से कब divide करना है, 4 से कब divide करना है. You will divide by 4 only when you have to find what? You have to find the leap year, because leap year keeps repeating after 4 years, right? But we divide by 7 in order to find the odd days. तो बस odd days निकालने के लिए ही divide by 7 करना है. Otherwise, to find leap year, we divide by 4. So 54 divided by 4 is what? So 4 ones are 4. You subtract, you're getting 14. 4 threes are 12. Subtract, you're getting 2. So you see that out here we are getting 13. We are not required to see this 2. Okay, ये 2 कोई काम का नहीं है. That is just the remainder. But we are concerned with this. So there are 13 years. Okay, so we can see that sir there are 13 what? Leap years. So in 54 years sir there would be 13 leap years. है ना? So how much sir? 54 minus 13 is 41. So 41 ordinary years will be there. 41 ordinary years would be there. Now let's understand a simple concept. The concept is, the motive out here is to find the number of days, है ना, number of days. So what the student might do is, he knows that sir in ordinary year, in one ordinary year, there are 365 days, है ना, and in one leap year there are 366 days. ठीक है, sir in ordinary year there are 365 days and in leap year there are 366 days. So what the student will do is, कि सर देखो we need the days to find the odd days. तो days करने के लिए क्या सर? If 1 year has 365 days, then 41 years would have how many days? So 41 into 365, वो ऐसे करेगा. और यहाँ पे 13 into 366, because in leap year there are 366 days. And then he'll find the total days and then he will divide the days by 7 and then he'll find the odd day. But इतना लंबा होगा ये. It'll take you so long to do this calculation, है ना? So what do? We do a smart work. Smart work is कि काम करो सर, इसी का odd days निकालो ना पहले. Okay, I have written OY, sorry, OD होगा यहाँ पे, odd days. Let's find the odd days for an ordinary year. Ordinary year पे सर कितना odd days है? Let's find that. How to find? Just divide this days by 7. So remainder कितना आएगा? मैं बोल देता हूँ सर, remainder you're going to get 1. That means your odd day is 1. That means in one ordinary year there is only one odd day. Only one odd day. ठीक है? Similarly, in one leap year there would be how many odd days? So there would be 2 odd days. There would be 2 odd days because divide करके देखते हैं 7 से you are going to get 1 and 2. So instead of multiplying 365 and 366, making our calculation so complicated, what we are going to do is we are going to multiply the odd days in it. ठीक है, odd days multiply करो, you will get the same answer. ठीक है, तो odd days in 1 year how many odd days are there sir? 1, तो यहाँ पे into 1 कर लो. And in leap year how many odd days are there? 2, तो यहाँ पे 2 into कर लो. बस हो गया, simple. ठीक है, simple. क्या आएगा सर? 41 into 1 is 41 and 13 into 2 is 26. Sir, 41 and 26. Now let's find the total days. है ना, total निकालते हैं. ये क्या है सर? These are also odd days. Okay, लेकिन अगर मैं इसका total odd days निकालूं, because I have to find the odd days for the entire year. Total 54 years का odd day निकालना है. Right? So for that what I do is I do the total. Sir, ordinary years पे जितना odd day, leap year में जितना odd day, सबको add कर दो. तो when you add, you're going to get how much? You're going to get 67. 67 odd days are sir, 67 odd days. Now we know, I told you before also, that your odd day would always be less than or equal to 7. तो क्या odd day 67 हो सकता है क्या? नहीं ना. Yeah, it can be, but कैसे बोलोगे कौन सा दिन है? Because in code word, what we have learned, so 0 means Sunday, 1 means Monday, ऐसे करके. तो 67 में क्या बोलोगे? So what we do is we divide this 67 by 7. So you have to keep dividing the last number. ऐसे मान लो last number or last odd days by 7 unless you get only single digit. इसको divide करते हैं 7 से. चलो sir, 67 divided by 7 is how much? Sir, 7 9s are 63. You subtract, you get 4. So this remainder 4 that you're getting is nothing but the odd days. So actually in 54 years you would say sir there would be 4 odd days. ठीक है, 4 odd days होगा and 4 odd days is option number C. So C is the right answer. I hope it's clear. ठीक है, clear है दोस्तों? Right? So here your answer would be option number C. ठीक है? Just a minute. Okay. Clear? You can comment if you have any doubt. Doubt है कुछ समझ में नहीं है कि comment box. Okay, I will explain it to you again. ठीक है, तो ऐसे तो कोई doubt दिख नहीं रहा मुझे. Okay, thumbs up आ गया. ठीक है, चलो, let's move ahead. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let's solve this. ठीक है, same way we are going to solve this question now. Yeah. Okay. Same method. Okay. In 100 years, how many odd days are there? So in 100 years, how many odd days are there? हमें निकालना है. तो हम बोलेंगे ठीक है सर. So let's find the years which are ordinary year and leap year. पहला काम ये है. And when you remember, I have taught you this. In 100 years, there are how many leap years? 24 leap years. है ना? And in ordinary year, there are 76 ordinary year. Okay? अब ये कैसे आया? So you divide this particular year by 4. तो अभी क्या है ना कि 4 से जब डिवाइड you're going to get 25 actually. ठीक है, लीप ईयर में 25 दिखा देगा आपको, because 4 25 से 100 होता है, but you're writing 24. Why? Because sir in this 25 years the last year 100 year है ना, 100 year जो है sir 100 year, that is a century year, and the century year is a leap year or an ordinary year. To check that, what do? We divide that year by 400. So if you divide by 400, is it being divisible? नहीं हो रहा ना, नहीं होना divide, नहीं होगा. That's why we are removing 1 year from 25 and we are writing 24 out here, because this particular year is not a leap year, it is a ordinary year. इसलिए इसको यहाँ से निकल के यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं 76. ठीक है, that's why it is 76. Okay, sorry. ठीक है, okay. So now we know the next step, sir. Next step is what? So next step is for ordinary year we will multiply by 1. ऐसे दिमाग पे रख लो. And for leap year we are going to multiply by 2. कितना आएगा सर? Out here you are getting 76. Out here you are getting 48. Just add them. How much you are getting? So we are going to get 124. 124 odd days आ रहा है. But I told you before, sir odd days cannot be more than 7. तो इसको divide करो 7 से. Remainder देखो क्या है. तो 124 divided by 7 is how much? 7 1 is 7. You subtract, you're getting 54. Then 7 how much? So 7 sevens are 49. Subtract, you're getting what? 5. So for ordinary year, for odd days, we need the remainder. So remainder is 5. That means out here in 100 years there would be 5 odd days. In 100 years there would be 5 odd days. Okay? Okay. So I'm going slowly. I'm not pacing up too much so that you understand each and everything in step-by-step manner. Clear? So this is how we find the odd day. Let's do one more question. We can move ahead. और एक ऐसे टाइप का क्वेश्चन करते हैं. चलो ये वाला कर देता हूं मैं. चलो ठीक है. And later on I'll be handing you this PDF so you can download the PDF and you can practice the question. Okay, because there are some more questions that I've left for you. Okay, how many odd days are there in 234 days? ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे 234 देखो days बोल रहा है, days. Now don't search leap year and ordinary year out here. ठीक है, this is already in day. तो इस केस में directly divide by 7 कर दो, है ना. तो sir here it's easy. Just divide 234 by 7. And why are we doing this here? Because sir यहाँ पे year नहीं है. So this is not year. This is days. And for odd days, we just need the days. ठीक है ना? तो 7 से divide करो. So 7 3s are 21. Subtract, you're getting 24. Then 7 3s are 21. Subtract, you're getting 3. So out here, 3 is the right answer. Clear? So 3 odd days. Now here directly we did because day दिया हुआ है सर, है ना? Year नहीं है. पहले में year था. This is just day. ठीक है? Okay, let's see one more question similar type. Okay. Now here we'll clear our concept further. Find the ordinary year leap year in 400 years. So I hope you remember. If you don't remember, then चलो मैं दिखा देता हूँ. Sir, in 400 years, how many odd days are there? बोल रहा है. सबसे पहला काम होगा कि sir, in 400 years, how many ordinary years are there and how many leap years are there? Find that. And once we get that, then we can find the number of odd days. So leap year कितना है सर? मैथमेटिक्स लगाओगे, डिवाइड बाई 4 करोगे तो यू गेटिंग 100 leap years. 100 leap year and the remaining 300 ordinary year. Because 300 plus 100 400 होगा, right? But let's check if there are any century years inside this 400 years. 400 years मतलब your year are going like this: year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, year 6. ऐसे करते करते the first century year they will counter is 100. So 100 century we are going to counter. Then next 200. Then next 300. Then next 400. So sir, in 400 years, these are the century years that I'm going to encounter. Now, we just need to check if these century years are your leap year or your ordinary year. कौन सा है सर? Leap year या ordinary year है? So what do? We divide these years by 400. Because century का मतलब है 20. When you have century years, we divide the year by 400 to check if that year is a leap year or an ordinary year. Divide by 400. Divide होगा? नहीं होगा. काट दो. Divide by 400. Is it getting divisible? No sir. हटाओ. Divide by 400. Is it being divided? No sir. ये भी नहीं होगा. Divide by 400. Is it divisible? Yes sir. तो ये divisible हो रहा है ना? So this 400 year is already here. ये 400 साल जो है ना मेरे दोस्त, this is already inside this. So what we do? We do the remaining year. We have to remove it. Okay sir, देखो. Based on mathematics, 100, 200, 300 years is also inside this 100 years. तो इसमें से हमें ये 3 year को निकालना होगा. Because these are not your leap year. These are what? These are your ordinary year. So remove 3 years from here and put this 3 years out here. तो यहाँ से 3 years अगर हटाता हूँ मैं, 3 years if I remove, you're getting 97 years. So there are 97 leap years, है ना? And you add these 3 years out here, so you're getting 303 ordinary year. Done. अच्छा सर, ठीक है. आ गया सर, है ना? So we would say yes sir. There are 97 leap years and how many? 303 ordinary years. Now it's simple. We know the technique now. Sir, if ordinary year, then we multiply by 1. Odd days निकालना है तो multiply by 1. And if a leap year, then multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. कितना आ रहा है इसका total? So here 303 into 1 is 303. Here sir 97 into 2 would be 194. है ना? 195. Yes sir. Now let's find the total. तो total के लिए दोनों को add कर दो. How much are you getting? 4 plus 3 is 7. 9 plus 0 is 9. And 3 plus 1 is 4. सर 497 odd days आ रहा है एज अ टोटल. सर टोटल 497 odd days we are getting. Now we know that odd days cannot be greater than 7. सर 7 से ज्यादा हो नहीं सकता और 7 के बराबर भी 7 के ज्यादा हो नहीं सकता. It can be equal and it can be less than 7. तो divide this by 7 now. Final division. 7 से डिवाइड करो, डायरेक्ट कर देता हूं सर. 771 जा 497 होता है. Subtract, you're getting a 0 out here. So remainder कितना है सर? Remainder is 0. That means in 400 years there would be 0 odd days. अब इस चीज को आपको याद रखना है. This thing you have to remember. ठीक है? This thing you have to remember. Why sir? Because when we'll do question, we'll use this technique directly. Direct we'll use this trick. Suppose जैसे मैंने क्या बोला आपको यहाँ पे, like I ask you a question. यहाँ पे करके दिखा देता हूं. ठीक है? In 800 years, how many odd days are there? है ना? अभी देखो यहाँ पे भी सेम है सर. ऑर्डिनरी ईयर, लीप ईयर निकालना है, ऑलवेज इट्स वेरी लेंथी. सो व्हाट वी डू इज वी स्प्लिट 800 इनटू 2 इयर्स. सर इसको 400 प्लस 400 लिख सकता हूं मैं, है ना? नाउ वी आर स्मार्ट सर. वी नो दैट इन 400 इयर्स देयर आर 0 ऑड डेज एंड इन 400 इयर्स देयर आर 0 ऑड डेज. तो 0 प्लस 0 टोटल कितना बनेगा? 0 बनेगा ना? तो 800 साल में भी 0 ऑड डेज ही होगा. यू डोंट हैव टू कैलकुलेट. ठीक है? वी आर यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है ना? सिमिलरली 1200 साल का देखो, 1200 ईयर 1200. तो ईयर 1200 कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट सर? कैन बी रिटन एज 400 प्लस 400 प्लस 400. 400 पे 0 ऑड डेज, 400 पे 0 ऑड डेज, 400 पे 0 ऑड डेज, प्लस प्लस प्लस. दैट मीन्स सर 1200 का भी ऑड डेज 0 होगा. सो सर कैन आई से लाइक दिस कि सर 400 मल्टीपल ईयर्स, 400 multiple years will always have 0 odd days. है ना? So we would say that the years which are in the multiple of 400, like 400, 800, 1200, 1600, and then 2000, this all years will have 0 odd days. है ना? देखो ये कॉन्सेप्ट से बता रहे हैं. ठीक है? So this is the concept. Clear? चलो यही बात बताना था. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू इफ यू कैन रिमेंबर फ्यू ऑड डेज ऑफ फ्यू इयर्स दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू. ठीक है? उसको याद कर लो, आपके लिए फायदे रहोगे. ठीक है? फायदा हो आपको क्या सर? फर्स्टली 100 ईयर का याद रखना, 5 ऑड डेज होता है एंड 5 कोड मीन्स फ्राइडे. मैंने बताया आगे 5 कोड मीन्स फ्राइडे. सिमिलरली सर 200 ईयर्स पे 3 ऑड डेज होता है. 300 years 1 odd day and 400 years 0 odd day. बस इतना याद कर लो. बाकी सब सी अदर्स इट्स रिपीटिंग. देखो फिर से 5 आ गया, 3 आ गया, 1 आ गया, 0, फिर 5 3 1 0, ऐसे फिर चलता रहेगा. ठीक है? It'll keep repeating. So just remember these things. This ये बस याद कर लो. In 100 years 5 odd days, 200 years 3 odd days, 300 years 1 odd day and 400 years 0 odd day. एंड ये कोड का मतलब क्या है? तो यहाँ पे दिया है 0 मीन्स संडे, 1 मीन्स मंडे, 3 मीन्स वेडनेसडे, 5 मीन्स फ्राइडे. बाकी the number of years that you take, इसमें सारे के सारे कोड सेम ही होंगे. It starts repeating itself. ठीक है? जैसे 500 को क्या लिखा सर? 100 प्लस 4. 100 पे कितना होता है? 5, तो 5. 400 पे 0 तो 0. That's why 5 odd day. Clear? है ना? So this is how you remember the odd days. ठीक है? But I'm asking you, please remember these 4. This 4 odd days को आप याद कर लो. ठीक है? आपके लिए फायदेमंद रहेगा. Right? Now based on this concept we are going to solve few questions now. Chalo, let's see. So you can take a snapshot of this particular table and do not worry, I'll be providing you the PDF. So कोई tension नहीं है. You don't have to worry about making notes and all, because the notes that you have to follow, I am making it. So I'm saving your time. What you have to do, you just have to practice the question. ठीक है? Now let's understand this concept. ठीक है? We are coming to the end of calendars very quickly now. 2 dates concept. In 2 date concept is quite simple. There can be of 2 types. 2 types can be there. What are those? Sir, first type would be same date. Same date, but different year. Okay? That's the first type. And second type is different date and different year. And that thing comes under miscellaneous calendars. and that we are going to cover at last. Miscellaneous calendars we are going to cover at last. Okay, let's understand this. Let's understand the simple one, that is your same date first. Okay, same date but different years. क्या होता है सर? देखो, suppose I say 20th January 2000, suppose 2009 was your Monday. Okay, 20th January 2009 was your Monday. Then what day would be 20th Jan 2010? This is the question. Okay, sir, 20th Jan 2009 was Monday. Then what would be 20th Jan 2010? Right? कैसे करेंगे? So out here, if you notice, what you're being able to notice, so we are being able to notice that here the date and month is same. See, 20th Jan, 20th Jan. Date and month is same, just the year is different. That's why this first type is known as same date, different year. Okay? So now we just need to find the odd days. Okay? Because we know that, sir, 20th Jan के बाद 27 Jan, again it will be Monday. Then 33 Jan होता है क्या? नहीं होता ना. 33 means 31 हो गया जनवरी में. 2nd February would be again Monday. So 7 days पे वो repeat करेगा. So that's why we are going to find the odd days. So as you see, from 2009 to 2010, it is exactly 1 year. Sir, exactly 1 year का gap है, देखो, है ना? And now we just have to see what kind of year is it. Now common sense से देखो. To come to 2010, I have to follow the 2009 calendar. When this will get over, then only I will come here, right? So that's why we have to focus this year. आगे वाले year को देखना है. So 2009 is what type of year, my friend? आप expert हो अभी? So 2009 is an ordinary year. And what type is normal year? Now normal क्यों? Because पीछे में देखो आपके numbers है, not zeros. ठीक है? Century होता तो अलग बात है. So ordinary year. Now in ordinary year, my friend, how many odd days are there? आप मुझे खुद बताओ. So in ordinary year, there are odd day. है ना? 1 odd day होता है sir, 1 odd day. तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना सर. We are going from 2009 to 2010. आपको यहाँ पे +1 कर देना. क्यों? Because ordinary year पे 1 odd day होता है. Similarly, if it was a leap year, then I would have added 2. But we are adding 1 because we are going to the different year, passing an odd year. So Monday +1 would be a Tuesday. तो इसका आंसर होगा Tuesday. That means 20th Jan 2010 would be your Tuesday. ठीक? If 20th Jan 2009 is Monday, then 20th Jan 2010 is your Tuesday. So simply you just have to see the year and the type of year, and then you have to add either +2. That's it. है ना? अभी और अच्छा concept से सीखेंगे. So let's do one question. Then our concept would be clearer. Like this. Okay. See this question. What's given? सर कौन सा टाइप है सर? सेम डेट डिफरेंट ईयर, है ना? व्हाट्स गिवन? सर 10th June 1921. क्या है सर? 10th June 1921 इज माई वेडनेसडे. ओके सर. देन व्हाट विल बी ऑन 10th June 1922? 10th June 1922 क्या दिन होगा? What day would it be? I would say, sir, let's see. Sir, out here same date same month concept. Same date same month. हम लोग ऐसा देखो. Same date same month. Same date same month. Just the year is different. Year different. This year. 1921 कैसा year है sir? 1921 is an ordinary year. How do we know, sir? Divide by 4. 4 से डिवाइड करके चेक करो सर. डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 4. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज एन ऑर्डिनरी ईयर. अभी ऑर्डिनरी ईयर तो कितना ऑड डे सर? 1 ऑड डे. तो +1 करना है मतलब. तो संडे वेडनेसडे +1 वुड थर्सडे. तो आपका 10th June 1922 वुड बी थर्सडे. ऑप्शन सी. हियर सी वुड बी द राइट आंसर. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. सी वुड बी द एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, और देखते हैं. चलो लेट्स सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन. Like this. Okay. 20th January 2004. ठीक है? सर 20th Jan 2004 क्या था सर? इट वॉज मंडे. Sir, 20th Jan 2004 was Monday. Then what day would be 20th Jan 2005? Easy question, sir. Easy question. 20th Jan. क्या नंबर के देखो सर, सेम डेट, सेम मंथ, डिफरेंट ईयर. लेट्स चेक. सर वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम 2004 टू 2005. हम बोलेंगे सर आगे जा रहे हैं, तो वी हैव टू फॉलो 2004 कैलेंडर. 2004 इज एन लीप ईयर. कैसे सर? डिवाइड बाय 4. हो रहा है ना? हाँ हो रहा है. So leap year means +2. So Monday +2 is nothing but Wednesday. जो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन भी नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है. आई एम मेकिंग अनदर ऑप्शन ई विच इज नन ऑफ दिस, बट आंसर वेडनेसडे ही होगा, ठीक है. डू नॉट डाउट इन योर सेल्फ एवर. कभी भी खुद को डाउट मत कीजिए, ठीक है, बिकॉज यू नो एवरीथिंग बेटर, राइट. वी हैव द कॉन्सेप्ट, सो वी नो द राइट आंसर. दिस इज रॉन्ग, ठीक है. चलो और एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. लेट्स सी अनदर गुड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ओके, सिमिलर टाइप क्वेश्चन. सर 20th Jan 2004 is Monday. 20th December, sorry, 2004 is what's a Monday. Then what day would be 20th December 2005? Okay, 20th December 2005 would be what day? What day would be 20th December 2005? Okay, try to answer. So sir, 20th December 2005 कौन सा दिन है? So let's see. Sir, same date, same month, same date, same is the year is different. So we have to follow the previous year. 2004 को देखना है और 2005 को देखना है. यहाँ से यहाँ जाऊंगा. 2004 is a leap year. अब leap year बोलते जब करोगे ना आंसर गलत आएगा, है ना. Now let's understand this concept in a more detailed way. अच्छे से समझते हैं, ठीक है, आराम से. देखो कहानी ये है दोस्त कि why I cannot take +2 in this question. आगे में जो सर 2004 था तो +2 लिया था, यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं? Why not? So the answer would be that, now see my friend, let me give you a basic. Basic is that a leap year and an ordinary year is decided by whom? Sir, it is decided by February month. Sir, it is decided by February month. Right? है ना, February month से decide होता है. सर कैसे? See sir, if it is a leap year, then in February month I'll have 29 days. And if it's an ordinary year, we have in February 28 days. Right? So this February month decide that the year is a leap year or an ordinary year. अच्छा सर ठीक है, ये समझ में आ गया है ना. But what is the link of this concept in this question? Now see, in this question, the date that they have given is what? So the date they have given is 20th December, है ना. So 20th December 2004. हम बोलेंगे सर if you see 2004 calendar, okay, ये कैलेंडर में क्या हो रहा है सर? ये कैलेंडर में ये हो रहा है कि सर मेरा जो फरवरी मंथ है ना, फरवरी मंथ in which we had 29 days, one extra day, वो तो ऑलरेडी पार हो चुका है सर. December is 1 year. अब इन दोनों के बीच में कौन सा फरवरी आ रहा है सर? So the February which is coming in between these two December is what sir? February of 2005. और February of 2005 means 28 days वाला February, है ना. अब 28 days कब होता है सर? So 28 days February is when a year is an ordinary year. तो मतलब ये पूरा जो सिस्टम है, even though the year is 2004, out here I cannot take +2 because the year, okay, this leap year which consisted of February month has already passed. देखो February क्रॉस कर चुका है, अभी आ गया 20th December में, February है ही नहीं इस पे. If suppose I would have given here 20th January, तब आप लेते +2 because जनवरी के बाद year वाला February, है ना. but out here it is December. So February is already passed. Now we are coming from December to December, so it is exactly 1 year. And what type of year would it be? Sir, an ordinary year. Why? Because out here in these 2 years, the February that you are seeing is an ordinary year wala February. That is 2005 का February जो इसके अंदर आ रहा है. 2004 February where we had an extra day has already passed. तो मतलब यहाँ पे हमें करना होगा +1, not +2. And so your answer would be here Tuesday. कितना deep concept है ना? Right. So this is how I'll be teaching you everything in full detail. एक point, inch by inch I'll be teaching you. ठीक है? So out here I cannot take +2. I have to take +1. Plus the February month. It's very important that you should note down this point. Okay, whenever 2-3 dates are given, the first thing that you have to focus is February. Okay, if it is a leap year, then you just have to see that, okay, that leap year is consisting in the February month or not. Because 2008 is also a leap year, right? But if I start the date from March, तो इसको मैं leap year नहीं मानूंगा, इसको मैं ordinary year मानूंगा, because the month which had Feb 29 days is already passed हो चुका है. So we are going from March. तो similarly यहाँ भी वही था. So February month where we had one extra day has already passed. So we are going from 20th December to 20th December. Clear? And that's why your answer would be Tuesday out here. Okay? Chalo, very good. आगे बढ़े. Important concept है दोस्त, ठीक है? Now let's do a good question like this. Okay. 10th June 1921 is Wednesday. So 10th June 1921 is Wednesday. June 1921 is Wednesday. Then what day will it be? 10th June 1925. 1925 is what day? अभी देखो यहाँ पे it is not just 1 year gap. There are few more years in between. There are few more years in between that are coming. So let's see what are those years. So I would be able to see 1922, sorry, because date to same है. Then 1923 and 1924. है ना? रुको थोड़ा अच्छे से लिख देता हूँ. What are the years, sir? I'll be able to see, sir, 1922, 1923 and 1924. ठीक है? So these are the years that I'm being able to see out here. ठीक है? So now let's compare each year and see what is an ordinary year, which is a leap year. ठीक है? अब 1921 से 1922 में जब जाऊंगा, है ना, I would see 1921 का कैलेंडर. So 10th June 1921 से 10th June 1922 is exactly 1 year. Now what type of year this is, sir? This is a leap year. Leap year मतलब 1 होने तो +1 करना. ठीक है? Now from 1922 to 1923 another 1 year. तो 1922 को देखोगे तो सर it is a what, sir? और leap year नहीं है सर, यहाँ पे ordinary year होगा, sorry, ordinary year. So this is an ordinary year, sir, again, है ना, because 4 से divisible नहीं होगा. So that means again +1. Now if I go from 1923 to 1924, right? Out here 1923 को देख लो सिर्फ. 1923 is what, sir? It is an ordinary year. तो यहाँ पे लगा दूंगा +1. ठीक है? Now 1924 से 1925 अगर मैं जाऊं तो out here if you see the gap, this is exactly 1 year and 1924 is what, sir? A leap year. अच्छा, February month का बात आ गया यहाँ पे, है ना? So obviously see, वो February month ना इसके आगे में आएगा because this is 10 June, है ना? तो February यहीं पे आ गया, तो यहाँ पे +2 लो या यहाँ पे +2 लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. If you want to take +2 out here, suppose you want to take this as a leap year, because sir यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है सर? यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है कि सर 1924 February month which has 29 days is coming in between these 2 years. तो यहाँ पे आप +2 ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. And if you're taking +2 out here, then यहाँ पे फिर से +2 मत लेना. Okay? Here you have to take +1. Ordinary year मान के इसको +1 ले लो. Because out here from June to June it is exactly 1 year, and here the February that you're being able to see is what's our February of 1925. And 1925 is an ordinary year, तो +1 इसलिए. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे +2 दे रहे हो तो यहाँ पे मत देना, और अगर यहाँ पे 1 दे रहे हो तो यहाँ पे +2 दे दो, ठीक है, डन। नाउ यू जस्ट ऐड 1 2 3 4 5, तो वेडनेसडे पे +5 ऐड करना है। वेडनेसडे +5 इज व्हाट सर? वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे, तो आंसर आएगा मंडे। ओके, दैट मीन्स दिस इज मंडे। क्लियर? ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ऑप्शन ए विल बी द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, क्लियर, राइट, इजी। ओके, लेट्स डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन सिमिलर टाइप। अच्छा, और क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ठीक है, चलो लेट्स मूव टू सिंगल डेट नाउ। ठीक है, अभी आता है मेन कॉन्सेप्ट सर, सिंगल डेट वाला। ठीक है, इट इज समवॉट इंपॉर्टेंट एंड अ बिट लेंदी यू कैन से। ठीक है, अ बिट लेंदी, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होगा, यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व। ओके, आई कैन गारंटी दैट, बट जस्ट यू नीड अ बिट ऑफ पेशेंस। तो पेशेंस रखो, आराम से समझो। ठीक है, सी क्या होता है, give you one single date. Okay, they'll give you one single date, and based on that date you have to find the day. Okay, suppose I say, मान लो I'm talking about 20th January, ठीक है, 2009। 20th January 2009 is what day? कौन सा दिन है? This is the question. So this is single date type. Now single date type is why so crucial, because they will give you question like GK GS combined with reasoning. मतलब an example, they would say on which day did we get the first independence? First Independence Day was celebrated on which day? Now if you see, you can see that there is GK GS question, है ना, because you must know date of independence, है ना, 5 August, पता है शायद आपको, है ना। हाँ, so you need to know the date of independence, and along with that you need concept to find the day, because in history what happens is students will be able to tell the date, बता देगा, बट डे तो थोड़ी ना याद करके जाते हैं हम, है ना। ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि गांधी जी का बर्थडे 2 अक्टूबर था और ट्यूसडे में, ऐसा थोड़ी ना है, नहीं ना, वी जस्ट रिमेंबर इट। ओके, वी आर नॉट कंसिडर अबाउट द डे। तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि एग्जामिनर का मोटिव है जीके के साथ कैलेंडर्स ही वांट्स टू कंबाइन। ओके, ही वांट्स टू कंबाइन डे एंड कैलेंडर टुगेदर। ठीक है, सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस। 20th Jan 2009 इज व्हाट डे? हाउ टू डू इट? सी, वेरी सिंपल। पहला काम ये है मेरे दोस्त, फॉर नाउ फॉरगेट 20th Jan, इसको बाद में देखेंगे। ईयर पे ध्यान दो, 2009। अभी 2009 ईयर्स का बात ये है, in these years, okay, 2009, ये क्या है सर? 2009 आर द years, इतना years पार हो चुका है ना, because obviously first calendar started from 1, year 1 2 3 4 ऐसे करते करते so 2009 calendars have passed, right? So it's like the same question that I asked you before, कि ऐसे 75 years है, मुझे बताओ यहाँ पे कितने ordinary year है, कितने leap year है, and then you find ordinary leap year and then you need to find the odd days. तो यहाँ पे हमें odd days ही निकालना है। But just imagine if you do in this way for 2009 years, आप तो पागल हो जाओगे, because century years हो तो आपका आएगा 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, ऐसे कितने सारे century years बनेंगे आपके, है ना। तो what do we do? So what do we do is we use a जुगाड़। जुगाड़ क्या है सर? जुगाड़ is a simple trick। ट्रिक ये है कि we break this year। जैसे पहले का क्वेश्चन था, मैंने आपको पूछा था, tell me in 800 years how many odd days are there? How many odd days are there? So we did not solve this. What we did smart work. We divided this in 2 parts. 400 पे मैंने तोड़ दिया था, तो मुझे पता है 400 पे 0, इस पे भी 0, तो मतलब टोटल 0 ही आएगा, तो मतलब 800 years पे भी 0 odd days ही होगा। So the same way we are going to do this also out here। कि सर एक काम करो, 2009 है ना, इसको आप ऐसे तोड़ो, find the nearest 400 multiple। हम बोले सर nearest 400 multiple जो यहाँ पे होगा वो होगा 2000, है ना। 400 5 is 2000, है ना। Now we know that in 2000 years there would be 0 odd days because 400 के मल्टीपल है। देखो हमारा 2000 ईयर का खेल खत्म, because there would be 0 odd days। इजी हो गया ना। अभी नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज 9। दिस 9 also we are going to split in 2 parts। 2 parts मतलब सर एक लिख दूंगा +8 और एक लिखूंगा +1। Why +1? Sir, because this is the last year which is your 2009, एंड इन दिस ईयर आई नीड टू फाइंड द डेट 20th जनवरी. इसी साल पे सर मुझे ये वाला डेट निकालना है. That's why I'm splitting it like this. Okay. So now the motive is to find the odd days. तो हम बोलेंगे सर odd days अगर यहाँ पे लिखूंगा मैं तो पहले का तो आप बता दोगे मुझे, है ना सर 2000 years में 0 odd days होगा because 2000 years are the multiple of 400 year. Okay. Next we need to find odd days for 8 years. Now 8 years पे कितना odd days है वो निकालना हम लोग को आता है सर. कैसे? By using that ordinary year leap year concept, है ना सर. 8 in 8 years how many odd days are there? So what do we do? Sir, we find ordinary year and we find leap year. Divide by 4. How much you're getting? Sir, we are getting 2 leap years out here. And out here we are getting 6 ordinary years because 6 plus 2 is 8. For leap year we multiply by 2. For ordinary we multiply by 1. तो कितना ऐसा 6 आ गया और यहाँ पे 4 आ गया. 6 plus 4 total निकलेगा 10. We know that sir odd days is always less than 7. इसको divide by 7 करो. 10 से divide. Always to find odd days divide by 7. आग बंद करके 7 1 7. Subtract. Remainder कितना है 3. That means sir in 8 years there would be how many odd days sir? In 8 years there would be 3 odd days. जो हमें यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है. Clear? In 8 years there would be 3 odd days. है ना. और ये हम लोग को आता है सर. This thing we know. Right? We know this thing. Just a minute. Right? We know this thing. है ना. This thing we know it. In 8 years how to find ordinary year leap year और odd days भी निकालना मैंने सिखा दिया आपको. ठीक है. लास्ट पार्ट सर ये लास्ट ईयर का खेल है. In last year we have to go till 20th January. 20th January. 2009 January is the first month. सर जनवरी तो पहला मंथ ही है ना. एंड वी हैव टू गो टिल विच डेट सर 20th Jan. 20th तक जाना है. तो 20th मतलब वी आर गोइंग 20 डेज. वी आर गोइंग 20 डेज ऑफ जनवरी. तो 20 डेज पे कितना ऑड डे होगा? सेम कॉन्सेप्ट सर. 20 डेज मतलब डिवाइड बाय 7. ऑड डेज के लिए हमेशा डिवाइड बाय 7. डिवाइड बाय 7. 7 2 is 14. Subtract you're getting what? 6. हम बोलेंगे कि सर इन दिस लास्ट ईयर वी आर गोइंग टू सी 6 ऑड डेज. तो प्लस 6. क्लियर हो गया ना. सिंपल. टोटल ऑड डेज हाउ मच यू गेटिंग? सर वी आर गेटिंग 9. कैन ऑड डेज बी 9? क्या ऑड डे 9 हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता सर. 7 से कम. 7 से फिर से डिवाइड बाय 7. तब तक डिवाइड बाय 7 मारो जब तक यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट अ सिंगल डिजिट लेस देन 7. इसको भी डिवाइड बाय 7 करूंगा सर बिकॉज 9 हो नहीं सकता. तो 9 डिवाइड बाय 7. 7 1 is 7. Subtract you're getting 2. So remainder 2 मतलब actually out here in 2009 20th Jan 2009 तक how many odd days are we getting sir? We are getting 2 odd days. अब 2 odd days का concept क्या है sir? What is the code day for 2? 2 means sir 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday. So your answer would be Tuesday. ठीक है. Tuesday would be the right answer. अभी खतरनाक चीज ये है कि सर एक्चुअली इन कैलेंडर्स द डेज दैट वी आर फाइंडिंग आर नॉट ऑन आवर ओन assumption. These are sir actual dates. सर these are actual dates. ठीक है. एक्चुअल डेट के बेसिस पे आता है दोस्त. ये दिखाओ आपको प्रूफ दिखाओ. 20th Jan 2009 हमारा आंसर क्या आ रहा है सर? ट्यूसडे आ रहा है ना. लेट्स चेक इफ यू आर गेटिंग ट्यूसडे और नॉट. चलो दिखा देता हूं आपको मैं. Let me show you. Okay, Google Chrome. So we are interested in finding 20th January 2009 डे ऑफ द वीक. लो आया ट्यूसडे. आ गया ट्यूसडे है ना. चमत्कार. ठीक है. सो एक्चुअली कैलेंडर्स इज बेस्ड ऑन द रियल कैलेंडर्स. ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये एग्जाम में कुछ और आंसर आ रहा है. नहीं. इट इज ऑलवेज बेस्ड ऑन द ट्रू कैलेंडर. ओके. सो कैलेंडर्स जब प्रैक्टिस करोगे भी ना it is very easy to verify if you're doing it correctly or not. Just see the actual calendar and just check the date if it's matching with the day or not. सो ट्यूसडे आया आंसर, देखो ट्यूसडे मिल रहा है ना. सो यू गेट द सेम आंसर. ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि आपको अलग आंसर मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो यू विल गेट द एग्जैक्ट आंसर, जो होना चाहिए वही मिलेगा दोस्त. ठीक है. राइट, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग ट्यूसडे आउट हियर. एंड हाउ टू फाइंड दिस, मैंने आपको पूरा स्टेप्स यहाँ पे दिखा दिया. सो लेट्स डू सम मोर क्वेश्चन टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट्स बेटर. ओके, जैसे ये सेम क्वेश्चन है, ईयर सेम है, 8 अक्टूबर 2009 बोल रहा है. करें फटाफट, स्पीड में करेंगे. चलो सर 8 अक्टूबर निकालना है. ठीक है. वी आर हैविंग द ईयर 2009. 2009 को स्प्लिट करेंगे सर. कैसे सर? 2000 प्लस 8 प्लस 1 पे. ठीक है. ओके सर. वी आर इंटरेस्टेड टू फाइंड द ऑड डेज. ऑड डेज निकालने में हम इंटरेस्ट है सर, तो निकालते सर ऑड डेज. इन 2000 ईयर्स सर देयर आर 0 ऑड डेज. ओके. इन 8 ईयर्स कितना ऑड डेज होगा सर? वी आर एक्सपर्ट नाउ. हाउ टू फाइंड? निकाल लो यहाँ पे कर देता हूं मैं. 8 ईयर्स पे ऑड डेज निकालना है सर. फाइंड ऑर्डिनरी ईयर एंड फाइंड लीप ईयर. हाउ मेनी लीप ईयर सर? 4 से डिवाइड करो सर. 4 2 8. हाउ मेनी ऑर्डिनरी ईयर सर? रिमेनिंग 6. 6 इज द ऑर्डिनरी ईयर. हो गया? यस. नाउ व्हाट डू वी डू सर? ऑर्डिनरी ईयर है तो इंटू 1, लीप ईयर है तो इंटू 2. तो 6 इंटू 1 आएगा 6, 2 इंटू 2 इज 4. तो 6 प्लस 4 कितना आएगा सर? टोटल 10. बट माई ऑड डेज शुड बी लेस देन 7. तो दिमाग पे करो. ओके, बार बार डिवाइड मत करो. देखो 10 डिवाइड बाय 7, रिमाइंडर कितना है सर? 7 1 7, रिमाइंडर इज 3. तो 3 आ गया ना. वी वुड से सर 3 ऑड डेज. हो गया. लास्ट ईयर जाना है 8 अक्टूबर तक. तो अभी देखो लास्ट ईयर अगर हम जाएंगे तो ये थोड़ा लेंदी होता है, बट ऑप्शन नहीं है. वी हैव टू डू इट. हाउ सर? हमें लास्ट ईयर जनवरी से जाना पड़ेगा काउंट करते हुए. सर जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर एंड अक्टूबर. अक्टूबर कहा तक सर? 8. तो 8 लिख दो. हो गया. बाकी मंथ हमें याद है. हाँ सर. सर जनवरी 31 डेज. February. Now see year. So year is 2009. 2009 is an what? An ordinary year. मतलब February पे होगा 28 days. March 31, April 30, 31, 30, 31, 31 and 30. हो गया. टोटल डेज पता लग गया ना, इसलिए मैंने बोला इसको याद रखना. Now there are two ways to do it. If you want, you can directly add them up, and if you want, you can do a smart work. Smart work ये है कि सर पहले ऑड डेज निकालो फिर ऐड करो, तो इजी होगा थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन, है ना. नाउ सी इन 31 डेज हाउ मेनी ऑड डेज विल बी देयर सर? डिवाइड बाय 7 करो सर. 7 4s आर 28 होगा. तो 28 31 माइनस 28 विल बी 3. तो यू वुड से सर 3 ऑड डेज. फरवरी पे सर रिमाइंडर आएगा 0 बिकॉज 7 4s आर 28. आउट हियर 3, आउट हियर 2 3 2 3 3 2 और यहाँ पे होगा 1. हो गया. लेट्स फाइंड द टोटल ऑड डेज. सबको ऐड कर लो, सबको ऐड कर लो. अभी ऐड करना भी स्किल है. हाउ टू ऐड? ऐसे मत करो 3 प्लस 0 3, 3 प्लस 3 6. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ स्मार्ट अप्रोच. स्मार्ट अप्रोच क्या है सर? 3 देखो कितने हैं सर? 3 1 2 3 4 5. 3 5s आर वी आर एडिंग 3 5 टाइम्स, मतलब 5 टाइम्स 3. 5 टाइम्स 3 इज 15. तो 15 लिखो. हो गया. नेक्स्ट 2 देखो. 2 कितना है सर? 1 2 3. सर देयर आर 3 2s. तो 3 2s आर 8 हो जाएगा. सॉरी 3 2s आर 6 हो जाएगा. हो गया. नेक्स्ट 1 है ना, तो प्लस 1. ये सबको प्लस करो सर, आएगा 22. नाउ ऑड डेज शुड बी लेस देन 7. डिवाइड बाय 7. 7 से डिवाइड करो कितना आएगा सर? 7 3s आर 21. रिमाइंडर 1 आया तो 1. नाउ ऐड देम अप. तो 0 प्लस 3 प्लस 1 इज व्हाट सर? 4. अब ये 4 कोड वाला डे क्या होता है दोस्त बताओ सर? 4 कोड डे इज नथिंग बट थर्सडे. सो योर आंसर वुड बी थर्सडे, जो है आपका ऑप्शन नंबर क्या सर? सी. ऑप्शन सी हो जाएगा राइट आंसर. क्लियर? ऑप्शन सी वुड बी द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सो आंसर वुड बी थर्सडे. चेक करा दो एक बार. चलो चेक कर लेते हैं फटाफट एंड देन वी एंड द क्लास. ठीक है. ये क्वेश्चन आपके होमवर्क रहेगा दोस्तों. सी दिस क्वेश्चन, ये है ना. तो मिसलेनियस टाइप में आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में करा दूंगा. अभी काफी लंबा हो चुका है क्लास. ओके. तो ठीक है. आई एम एंडिंग द क्लास हियर. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का मैसेज भी आ रहा है कि सर जाना है, काम है ना. तो ठीक है, आप जाओ, नो वरीज. है ना. दिस इज अ होमवर्क, प्लीज ट्राई टू डू इट. सेम इसको मैं तोड़ के दिखा देता हूँ. सर देखो आपको ईयर दिया हुआ है 2015. 2015 है तो इसको कैसे तोड़ोगे सर? 2015 यू हैव टू स्प्लिट लाइक 2000 प्लस 14 प्लस 1, ऐसे तोड़ना है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे निकालोगे और डेज. यहाँ पे भी कहां तक जाना है सर? 18 सितंबर. सर जनवरी फरवरी मार्च लिखते लिखते 18 सितंबर तक जाओ एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. ठीक है, ओके. तो दैट्स इट. सो इसको चेक करा देता हूं एक बार मैं, ये वाला क्वेश्चन का आंसर. 8 अक्टूबर 2009. 8 अक्टूबर 2009. ओके, 8 अक्टूबर 8 अक्टूबर 2009 डे वीक. लो थर्सडे आ गया ना आंसर. ठीक है, तो गलत होगा ही नहीं. ठीक है, so that's it my friend. I hope you like the class. So if you like it, then make sure that I'll see you in the paid batches very soon. Okay, जिस पे हम और डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे सारे टॉपिक्स को. And also this is like a paid batch class only that we are giving you for the free. फ्री में दे रहे हैं, है ना. तो ज्वाइन करोगे तो और सीरियसनेस आएगा, because the things which are free are not taken seriously, right? So once you pay out something, then when you join it, then the things becomes very serious, because you have that in mind that you have paid something to get something, so you expect and you do the classes regularly. ठीक है, तो चलो, thank you so much. So I think we'll meet again tomorrow. Okay, I'm not sure about the timing, but we'll see कब मिलते हैं, कैसे मिलते हैं. So till then, I hope you enjoy the class. So thank you, keep studying and bye bye. Okay, so that's it for today. And lastly, so this is the coaching that we are starting, okay, for your Sikkim Police SI coaching. Okay, out here the benefit is that you'll be getting live class, recorded class, and also study materials along. Okay, everything will be given to you once you join the class. And this is the course features. So we are focusing on prelims for now, and slowly we'll be getting into mains as well. And regular class would be there, and 100% course coverage. You don't have to worry. Once you join here, you have to forget about everything. You just have to study. That's it. Because the hard work that's required you to do it, we are doing it from our end. You just have to trust and do the class. Not miss a single class. So let's crack Sikkim Police SI exam together, and also get the good news together. So thank you. Keep studying and